Today, we're going to be talking about dropshipping. If you have been watching any finance YouTubers in the last couple years, you probably heard about dropshipping and heard that it's all the rage. What is up, sausages? It is the Money Sausage. Today, we are going to be talking about dropshipping, as I just said. But before we get into today's video, I do want to ask, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It would mean the world to me, and you'd be donating to that scholarship fund, so you'd be helping them out tremendously. With that being said, let's get right into today's video. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is pretty much the idea of selling stuff online. You can even sell it in person at a retail store, but not handling the inventory yourself. Having an outside third party handle all the inventory and ship it to your customers, so you don't have to worry about the inventory, and you can just worry about, placing orders so the inventory is stocked, and that way you can just be the face of the company. And it's a really good way to make a lot of money really quickly, and sometimes it doesn't work out at all. So yes, some people have tremendous success with dropshipping. So should you be doing dropshipping? If you're in college and you're looking for a good side hustle, yes. But at the same time, it does require a lot of setup time. It does require a lot of research. And I do have some things linked down in the description if you can go check out some resources that make that research a lot easier. But with that being said, dropshipping is a really easy way, just so you don't have to worry about inventory space. You don't have to buy an actual retail location. I mean, you could just pay for a little storefront, or you could just run it completely online, which is where a lot of people see the most success. And the best way to set up dropshipping is either setting up an e-commerce web store through Squarespace, Wix, whatever you may have, and also setting up an Amazon account. Yes, Amazon does take a while to get an account set up, but once you get it set up, it's going to be worth it 10 times over. So if you do want to be looking into dropshipping, go ahead and do that. And there's plenty of options out there. There's JungleScout, there's Helium 10. There's some other options that do that product research for you. But if you have a passion for a certain industry and you know that you can have the edge over all of your competitors because you genuinely care about that, you can go and dropship those things. And even if it's making candles or whatnot, you can make the candles and then just ship the candles out to a third party, and they will process the orders. They will give you your money, and then they'll ship everything for you and package everything. So you're not liable if the candle breaks or whatnot. But at the same time, it makes your life a lot easier. So using that third party for dropshipping can sometimes actually make so much more sense, because one, you don't have to, buy expensive warehouse space. The third party already has that warehouse space. And if you want to get set up with one of those businesses or whatnot, UPS has a dropshipping service, FedEx has a dropshipping service, and then there's some other dropshipping services that are online, and one of the most famous is Amazon, as you've probably heard, called FBA, which is Fulfillment by Amazon. And the way that works is you pretty much get a product in from a wholesaler or a supplier or a manufacturer. You get everything set up on Amazon, you add it to your inventory, then you stick the label on a box, you ship it to Amazon, and Amazon stacks it, stores it, and then ships it for you once you get the customer base coming in and buying your product. So that is a really easy way. This is a really basic way. This is a very basic introduction to dropshipping. Obviously, we will be going more in depth in later videos. And if you want me to go in depth in a certain product field or in anything in particular in regards to dropshipping, make sure you drop a comment down below so I can know how I can help you the best. With that being said, this is the Money Sausage signing out. See ya!